sanibonani ninjani? Bengizocela ukubonga kulaba abasizile nalaba akade bethembisa ukusiza, siyabonga kakhulu. Bengenza le video namhlanje ukuthi ngizosho ukuthi ngiyaxolisa ukuthi kube ngathi bengizohlambalaza umama nobaba or ukuzongcolisa igama lika mama nobaba. Kodwa umama bengingasukuyo ongithumela ukuthi ngizoyenza ivideo noma ngizoskema abantu. Mina ivideo bengizenzele mina ngedwa la endlini nosisi wami ngoba umama bengekho la endlini. Ngoba besayosibhekela ugesi ukuthi ngizokwazi ukufunda ngoba bengibhala the following day. Ngoba umama manje akasaphathekanga kahle ngoba sekunenkulumo zokuthi umama besebenzisa mina ukuthi sizothola imali.
Ngelekile nonke kwezishisa be-entertainment guys, indaba ka-Ayanda the viral girl, ivideo yakhe ndiyibonile uba seleqa o-5 million views currently on TikTok. Idala ke ivideo yakhe ithethisa. It has become very controversial with some people coming with different opinions, but I think the most viral opinion that is being making rounds on social media is the fact that umama wabo is using them to fight battles zakhe ke no tata wakhe, who is currently their mom's ex-husband or partner, right? So umntana ke unfortunately inoba uyawazibona ke i-comments zenu ne-replies zenu and decided ke to respond. Earlier on guys, ndabona intoba i-videos they were not on their page. I'm sure that perhaps they got someone who is going to advise them intoba how to handle so much. Number one, there's a lot of hate that they were receiving and just the controversy altogether. So i-videos inoba baye bazipривatizer and then after 8 hours ziye zabuya ke, and after zibuyile ke i-comments section yakhe uyivalile umntana totally, irrespective of the fact that bekhona ne-account number okepitheki bakamamakhe. She decided to close the comment section totally. Now of course you guys ke, unfortunately kukhona abantu abazayo that are coming forward to share what they feel about the story. For example, khona i-comments eziyi-2 ezitrendayo. Oyi-1 umuntu uthi, the fact that I know them, okay, this person is claiming to know these people. They live 3 houses away from mine and I see them when they're coming from school with full uniforms and their shoes are in good condition, and the mom is actually working by the way, okay. And this was before ke avale i-comment section yakhe. And then there's yet another person othi uyi-neighbor yabo naye uthi, they are my neighbors. I am so heartbroken because manyani isihlangu zabo. Lanto benditsho guys izolo uba manyani isihlangu zabo, shame. Manyani isihlangu zabo zikazukile, and each and everything ebeyitsho uAyanda kwi-video is 100% true. Okay, they are sometimes walking to school. They have to walk to school at times. Sometimes the uniform bayicela from their friends or their neighbors. Sometimes belala bengatyanga. All those things ebezithetha phayana kula video, they are 100% correct. So now guys, there is 2 sides, right, to each and every story. Khona ke iside eli siliva ngabantu as well as uAyanda, and then there is yet another side that has been brought to our attention. Dabona ke on social media kukhona umuntu othi the father's side of the family reached out to yena ke efuna ukusherisha iside likatata kaAyanda. Number 1, intoba the marriage was done a long time ago. Umama kaAyanda and utata kaAyanda kudala bohlukana. Secondly, utata kaAyanda left the house to abantwana bakhe as well as the ex-wife. Guys, masimbize ngo-ex-wife, right? Furthermore, uyachaza intoba abantwana uyabathengela igrosa and also uyabondla nge-1,000 rand so that bezokwazi ukuthenga not ukubondla guys, but like uye ashiye after ethenge ukutya uye ashiye 1,000 rand so that bezokwazi ukuthenga umbani as well as ke gas for the gas stove, yabo. So that is yet another side. But each and every person that comes to comment with the father's side, I think social media has chosen their side, and their side that they are deciding to ride with is the Ayanda and her mom's side, because each person that comes with his side lekatata Ayanda is being bashed on social media. They are saying if unje uyafika uzotsho intoba no, utata uyazama ukondla, utata uyazama is trying by all means. People are just like, no, you are lying, you are the side chick. If you are not the side chick, you are the side chick's friend. People don't actually, they are 100% not interested kwicala ukuva icala likabani, ukuva icala lekatata kaAyanda. So yeah guys, again, I think ndizophelela apha ngesi story sika Ayanda. Today I've been waiting for live kaPhiwe because ndendava uba uPhiwe is going to go live and basically interview umama ka Ayanda, but I've been waiting. Oh, Ayanda's mom that has been interviewed by uPhiwe so far, but if she does get interviewed, guys, ndizobuya ke ndizonixelela outcome. Guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Ndizonibona shortly. Okay guys, before I say goodbye, bendithi ndiya-editha nele video. Xa ndijonga kwi-TikTok account ka-Ayanda, nanko seyifakile ke se-attachile some of the evidence that indeed i-uniform yakhe nomntana wakokwabo is torn. This is the evidence. Of course ke iculo alifakileyo, she was basically, the song is talking about forgiveness and that they love their father nje, they are not trying to fight no baba wakhe, as you guys heard from the very first video clip which I inserted for you guys to see. Nanko ke umntu othethelela icala lika tata ka Ayanda.
One of the family members from the father's side reached out to me, and she asked to be anonymous by providing information that states that the father is taking care of the children. On the 28th of every month and the 29th, if maybe as I got the 28 or I got the 29, Opela is a grocery. The father buys the grocery himself, and when he gets there, he leaves 1,000 rand amount of money for electricity. After that, he also leaves money for gas. And I'm going to attach videos of the mother's status of how she eats when the kids are hungry, but yet she is posting. I also have a recording of the mother where the mother states she's not going to delete that video. She keeps on emphasizing in the video this is only the beginning of the war. More is still yet to come. The father, who's the uncle of the person whom I was talking to, states that Umalume will lose everything. He will lose everything. So it sounds like I don't know, she's very spiteful of this, but I'm doing this to make people aware, but like, guys, you understand? Stop doing that. She also stated that the mother and the father, they have been fighting for a very long time. Then the court instructed the father, since you are fighting with the mother, please leave the house. You understand? So this is why the father is currently not staying at home, not because of another wife or another lady excuse me for that, or another lady entered into the marriage. The marriage itself was not okay from the beginning. And I'm speaking about somebody that she's given me facts and files. I just can't post because it has also said that as a family they will not say anything, but she said like, why? And she also showed me her text to the mother after she saw the children, and she asked the mother, why are you doing this? This is when I also heard the response of the mother. So guys, girl,